friends, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Angie, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the 7 products that I think every beginner needs in their makeup kit / collection. I'm going to tell you what type of products these are, why I think you need them, and I'm going to give you my drugstore recommendation for these. These are all drugstore recommendations because in my head I want this to be A, affordable, and B, I kind of geared this like if I were to lose everything or if I were to go on a trip and I just like lost all my makeup, what I would purchase. I wanted them to be easily accessible as well. So this was the best way I could do that. And these are all really good products in my opinion. These are all very face focused products. There's not a whole lot of like fluff, I guess I would call it. It's very basic because this is just the minimum you need. You can add whatever you want. Maybe other people have different opinions. I didn't want to add a whole lot of extraness to this as I'm wearing glitter eyeliner. So my first recommendation is foundation. It's gonna even your skin tone. It's gonna, it's just a good base for your makeup. I feel like this one's pretty self-explanatory. And for my more oily friends, I'm gonna recommend the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. And for my drier friends, I'm gonna recommend the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. These are pretty good medium coverage foundations, and they're pretty readily available at any drugstore. Secondly, I'm gonna recommend concealer because like I said, this is very face focused, and when I was starting off I didn't understand like adding dimension to your face, and I was just like a flat like one solid color, which I don't recommend. So this is gonna give you dimension because it's gonna highlight the points of your face. So you're gonna buy this a little bit lighter than your foundation, so you can use it to highlight and you can use it to cover up little like spots on little blemishes on your face. And I don't have them with me, but my 2 recommendations are the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and the NYX HD Concealer. The NYX HD is gonna be more full coverage. The Maybelline Fit Me is gonna be more hydrating. And next, I'm gonna recommend a setting powder. If you're drier, maybe you don't think you need this, but even as I become drier, I feel like I need sleep a little bit, at least under my eyes. So I use this to set my makeup. It holds my makeup in place. I feel like I cannot go without it. And I feel like usually it just smooths out my skin even more. But I especially think you need it under your eyes to set your concealer, because otherwise you're gonna get creasing and nobody wants that. So my recommendation is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is the pressed powder, but I know people really love the loose powder, and I've been meaning to try that, but I really love the pressed powder, but I would probably go try out the loose powder because I've heard great things about that one. So next, I'm gonna recommend a brow pencil. If you would have asked me in high school, I would have said, why do I need to do my brows? I have really thick brows, but trust me, there are sparse areas, and I feel like defining the brows just really brings the whole face to life. And my recommendations for brow pencils would be the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. People also really love the NYX Micro Brow, so I'll link that below, but I really love this pencil. It has a spoolie on the end to brush out your brow hairs, which is highly important, and then the tip is nice and thin, so I would recommend this one. You're just gonna use it to fill in the sparse areas or draw on your brows if you don't have thick brows like myself. Another one of the top things that I would recommend is a mascara. So you're just there's volumizing, there's lengthening, just pick whichever one that you think you need. It's gonna just make your lashes pop. It's just gonna define your eyes a whole lot better. That's probably what a lot of people start out with, and I think it's one of the most important things to have in your collection. So for this one, I don't have any drugstore mascaras to recommend because I haven't tried a drugstore mascara in a long time. That being said, that is only because I have gotten so many free samples of high-end mascara. I haven't even bought mascara in probably like 2 years. I don't have any personal recommendations, but I know everyone's been loving the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. But go check out reviews. There's a ton of good mascaras out there. And the next is gonna be bronzer. So I'm recommending bronzer because again, it has to do with dimension. So instead of contouring, you can use a fluffy brush and just put bronzer in the more contoured areas of your face. So the way that your face is gonna end up looking after all this is done is you're gonna have your foundation, you're gonna have other areas where it's gonna be more bronze, which is also gonna give dimension to your face, and then it's gonna be highlighted in the center, so it's gonna be very dimensional, but you're only using like 3 products. And my recommendation is the Butter Bronzer, and I know that they just released more colors, which is awesome. And then lastly, I'm gonna recommend a nude lip color. If you want to go bold, you go bold, but if I had to buy one shade, it's probably going to be a nude lipstick because that's the one that I could wear without fail. So my recommendations for these would either be the Soft Matte Lip Cream or Liquid Suede if you want matte lips, and if you want glossy lips, I would try their Butter Gloss from NYX as well. and they have a ton of colors, so you can find whatever nude shade works best for you. If I were to lose everything, this is what I would buy. And everything is very face focused because I think skin is very important, and then we just add brows, lashes, and a lip color. And you could add more things into it. This is just what I would start out with. So if you think that I missed something that should have been in here, please leave it down in the comments below. And if you like this video and if you liked me, give this video a like and make sure to subscribe so you can see future videos. I'm also going to be doing more of these like makeup 101 type of videos because I think this is helpful, and I wish I would have had something like this when I was growing up. So with that, I will see you in my next video.